Hi guys, so today we're making this fluffy, delicious butter donuts. So first, I make sure my hands are clean, very clean, because I'm going to be working with my hands. And these are basically what we'll be needing for our fluffy donuts. So first, I have to sieve my flour. It's very important to sieve your flour always. This helps remove any lumps and maybe debts and all that. So it's important to sieve your flour always before use. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please pause. Please go and subscribe. We are waiting for you. Are you done? Thank you! Guys, for this recipe, accuracy is very important. So we'll be needing our digital scale. So as usual, guys, do well to check the description box because the measurement for everything I use on this recipe is going to be on the description box. Brian, what do you want? So guys, next is to get a bowl, pour in your neatly sieved flour, your powdered nutmeg, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Now, if you're not sure with your yeast, you have to catalyze your yeast before adding, but I'm very sure of my yeast. So I'm going to be making a video on how to catalyze your yeast with warm water. It's very simple. So I added a drop of milk flavor to my egg. You can actually use any flavor of your choice. Then my margarine, any brand of margarine at all will do for this. So I mix and combine with my hand. Now I poured in my egg and flavor. Then mix. Now I poured in my water and squeezed together. So it's almost time for kneading. This is the cocoa. Guys, I'm telling you for free, and one of the secrets to get that very fluffy donut is kneading. Knead and knead and knead. Kneading is never too much, trust me. So now we are kneading for 25 minutes. So I'll be leaving this for 15 minutes to rest, then come back and knead for the second time.
15 minutes later.
Guys, to get that butterfield taste in your donuts, keep aside half of your margarine, then apply while you're kneading, okay? So guys, as you can see, our dough is looking fluffy already and it's stretchy, not sticking anymore. So now I'm using my scale for accuracy. I need 70 to 75 grams for each dough, not too big, not too small. So guys, after rolling my dough, I left for an hour to proof.
1 hour later.
And finally, guys, we are ready to fry. Guys, your heat should be on a very, very low heat that you can dip a finger and you don't get burnt. Guys, our fluffy, delicious buttered donut is ready. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.